everyone, welcome to EasyLearn. Today our topic is Terraform. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code software tool by Hashicorp, which is used to create change infrastructure safely and predictably. Terraform is the first multi-cloud infrastructure as a code tool and which is written in the Go language. We no need to learn the Go language. We can write the code in a declarative format also, and Terraform can create the different infrastructures like different create it creates the different resources across the all the infrastructure providers such as AWS, Azure, GCP, OpenStack, VMware, and IBM, and more. I hope you learned something from my video. I'm going to do another video on the installation of Terraform. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.